Rational and irrational numbers. Dear students, in the last video, there was a detailed explanation about how to compare given two rational numbers with different examples. Hope you liked it. If not, find the link in the given description box. Now, in this episode, I am going to solve problem set 1.2 exclusively. Before I start, let me brief some basic concepts. If a and b are two given rational numbers, then there are three possibilities. First, a is less than b. Second, a is greater than b. A is equal to b. That means a will be equal to b or a may not be equal to b. If a is not equal to b, then a is less than b or a is greater than b. Remember, a negative number is always less than 0. A positive number is always greater than 0. A negative number is always less than a positive number. Recall again. A negative number is always less than 0. That means when you write a negative number and 0 and you're going to put sign, your tip of the arrow will be pointing towards smaller number. That means negative number. A positive number is always greater than 0. In other words, 0 is smaller than a positive number. A negative number is always less than a positive number. Or you can say a positive number is greater than a negative number. Dear students, I request you to be with notebook and pen. Have a pause while watching the video and try to solve the problem with your own, and then check the answer afterwards. First question is, compare the following numbers -7, -2. Let me first take positive numbers. So we'll consider positive numbers 7 and 2. Here 7 is greater than 2. Take opposite sign. That means when you take opposite numbers, sign changes. Therefore, -7 will be smaller than -2. Remember, 7 is greater than 2. That's why -7 is smaller than -2. Second question. 0 and -9/5. In these two numbers, one is 0. So, it's very simple question. You can say that a negative number is always less than 0. That is, 0 is greater than -9/5. Third question. 8/7 and 0. Once again, here one of the numbers is 0 and other number is positive number, and you know that a positive number is always greater than 0. That's why 8/7 is greater than 0. Dear students, remember When two rational numbers have same denominators, then the number with smaller numerator is small. Let's have fourth question. Minus 5 by 4 and 1 by 4. In this case, both numbers have denominator same, that is 4, but we don't care. Here we see one number is negative and other number is positive. And you know, a negative number is always less than a positive number. That's why minus 5 by 4 is less than 1 by 4. Remember, minus 5 by 4 is smaller, so tip of the arrow is pointing towards negative number minus 5 by 4, that is the smaller number. Next question. 40 upon 29, 141 upon 29. Look at these two numbers. Both the numbers have denominators same, that is 29. So we compare the numerators. 40 is less than 141. That's why 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. Sixth question. Minus 17 upon 20 and minus 13 upon 20. In both the numbers, denominators are same, that is 20. So we consider the numerators minus 17 and minus 13. First of all, we take the positive numbers 17 and 13. 17 is greater than 13. That's why minus 17 is smaller than minus 13, and therefore minus 17 upon 20 is smaller than minus 13 upon 20. Let's consider the case where two fractions have different denominators. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers where b and d are positive numbers, and first AD is less than BC, then A upon B is less than C upon D. Second, AD is equal to BC, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. Third, if AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Let's have now seventh question. 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 12. Here A is 15, B is 12, C is 7 and D is 16. Here denominators are not same, they are different. So we'll cross multiply 15 into 16, which is 240, 12 into 7, which is 84. Now compare 240 and 84. You will have 240 is greater than 84, therefore 15 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 16. Eighth question. Minus 25 by 8 minus 9 by 4. Once again, your denominators are different. Minus 25 into 4 is minus 100. 8 into minus 9 is minus 72. Compare minus 100 and minus 72. Minus 100 is smaller than minus 72. Therefore, minus 25 upon 4 is less than minus 9 by 4 from 1 and 2. Ninth question. 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. Here denominators are different. Multiply 12 and 5. Product is 60. 15 and 3. Product is 45. Compare 1 and 2. 60 is greater than 45. Therefore, from 1 and 2, 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 11 and minus 3 upon 4. use the same method since denominators are not same, they are different, 11 and 4. Therefore, minus 7 into 4 is minus 28, 11 into minus 3 is minus 33. When we compare minus 28 and minus 33, minus 28 is greater than minus 33 because 28 is smaller than 33. Since minus 28 is greater than minus 33, therefore minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4 from 1 and 2. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed with me. Stay with me. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.